there's over 6 million sudden cardiac arrests happening worldwide each year. And if it happens outside a hospital, there's only a 6% chance of survival if it happens. And so that's a big number to be concerned about. And what's interesting enough as well is that every minute that goes by without CPR on these patients that are in sudden cardiac arrest, the mortality rate goes up 10% every single minute. And the reason that CPR doesn't get started very early on is because of a fear or worry or inability to do CPR by bystanders. And that's where this little device comes in handy, the ResQR by Rithem Sciences. The ResQR is a simple, easy to use device for any bystander that has a first aid kit, and it has this inside it. It should be in every single first aid kit as a simple little device to remove some of that concern, that worry that you don't know how to do CPR. First off, you can see the depiction right here showing exactly where this little device goes, right on the chest. The second thing that it's going to do is allow you to actually understand the rhythm, the rate at which it's supposed to go. Because as soon as I open this device, it's going to start to beep at the rhythm about 120 beats per minute, so that way I know exactly when to compress. The nice thing too is with this device on the chest, it actually is cushioning and distributing some of the pressure I'm doing with CPR, which allows or limits the chances of injury or fracture of the sternum as well during CPR, which can limit the complications of the CPR as well. And finally, if it's with a female patient and you're worried about indecency or this patient being concerned, and that's a big reason why we don't start CPR on female patients, because we are worried about the decency of that patient. This device, as soon as you open it, it will start to beep at you, and then it also will come with a little blanket that you can simply open up, and you can get that over top your patient to increase the decency and keep that patient covered, so that way you feel more comfortable doing CPR on that patient. And so this allows you to be very, very confident in your CPR, keeping your patient decent, making sure that you have perfect land location on the chest, as well as the rhythm with the beeping with this monitor. This is a perfect little device to have in every first aid kit, and it simply gets thrown away after the CPR is done or after it's taken over by professionals or paramedics or nursing staff, whatever the case may be. This is a one-time use thing, but it can be the life and death of that patient. Making sure that we do CPR early, making sure we do CPR fast and properly is the key to their survival, and this device can help you. So if you get the ResQR and put it in your first aid kit, you know that you are getting the confidence that you need in order to perform CPR properly, because you'll know that you have the proper rate, you'll know that you'll have the proper location, and you'll know that you will make sure that you're keeping your patients decent. A key piece for your first aid kits. You can get this now from Rithem Sciences.